Welcome to Wheels Joint. Today, I've got a quick and easy tutorial for you on how to check the engine oil level in your Kia Sportage. It's a simple maintenance task that every car owner should know, so let's dive right in. First and foremost, make sure your Sportage is parked on a level surface. This ensures that you get an accurate reading of the oil level. Start the engine and let it run for a few minutes until it reaches normal operating temperature. This will help distribute the oil throughout the engine and provide a more accurate reading. When the engine reaches normal operating temperature, turn the engine off and wait for about 5 minutes. This allows the oil to return to the oil pan. Now, pop the hood of your Sportage. You'll find the hood release lever inside the cabin on the driver's side, beneath the steering wheel. Here's the important part. You need to find the engine oil dipstick. In most Sportage models, it's located on the top of the engine, indicated by a bright-colored handle, often yellow or orange. Carefully pull out the dipstick, and then wipe it clean with a lint-free cloth or paper towel. Make sure it's completely dry before reinserting it. Now, insert the dipstick back into its tube completely and then pull it out again. Now, you'll see two marks on the dipstick, a low level and a high level. The oil should be between these two marks. If your oil level is below the low mark, it's time to add some oil. Use the oil recommended in your owner's manual and add a small amount at a time. Recheck the level until it's within the recommended range. Once you've checked and adjusted the oil level, put the dipstick back in its place, close the hood, and you're all set. So, there you have it. A quick and easy way to check the engine oil level in your Sportage. It's a simple but essential part of vehicle maintenance, ensuring your engine runs smoothly and efficiently. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or need more car care tips, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful automotive videos. Until next time, drive safe.